Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off TalkBack feature in your Samsung Galaxy A10 series. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe it and like our videos. So let's start friends. If you can't able to just swipe up and open the screen, this is how you can just do it. Take two fingers and swipe like this. Tap one time to select it and tap two times to draw a password like this. Then first you have to go to settings, then go to settings, double tap it, and friends you can see then here it is a accessibility option. This is how you can just choose it. Go to accessibility, tap on it, go to talkback and then double tap it. Then here you have to just off like this, double tap it, turn off, then double tap.
TalkBack off.
And friends, you can see TalkBack is off in Samsung Galaxy A10. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.